Just in time for the busy season, a replacement terminal at Newark Liberty International Airport has just been unveiled.
The multi-billion-dollar facility, one of New Jersey's largest infrastructure projects. CBS News' Elijah Westbrook is live at Newark Liberty with more on what travelers can expect. Elijah, how good does it look?
Oh, you know, Kristen Mary, it looks pretty good. So right now we're inside the newly rebuilt Terminal A, and you can see behind me, this is what it looks like ahead of when it's open to the public in just a few weeks. In fact, it's part of the Port Authority's $2.7 billion terminal redevelopment plan. Now, what you're looking at in the distance there is a ribbon cutting ceremony that just got underway within the hour. But while that's taking place, let's go ahead and show you some highlights of what this thing looks like. So right now you're looking at a time-lapse video from the Port Authority showing the construction of it all. The agency says this 1 million square foot terminal will have 33 gates and feature contactless amenities throughout, including check-in counters and at the gates before travelers board. Now, one of the unique elements you'll notice about the place is just how much brighter and modern the terminal is compared to the old one, which was built in 1973. The Port Authority says the terminal is 20% larger than the original terminal and now allows for an increase in flights and customers. Governor Murphy had this to say within the past hour about the terminal. Let's take a look.
This building and the experience in this building will literally transform what people think and how they think about New Jersey. It's a game changer. It's a new Terminal A that is ready to accommodate, I think, more than 13 million annual visitors and their luggage, by the way. A new Terminal A that is the largest design-build project in state history and the largest infrastructure project that I've seen completed during my time as governor.
And back out here live, whether you're traveling here through the new Terminal A or by car, bus, or train, experts say plan ahead as much as possible. Of course, planning will help you get the best experience out of your travel. But you know, Kristen Mary, I got to say, this new terminal doesn't look too bad. I mean, look how bright and modern it is. For now, we're live right now at Newark Airport. Elijah Westbrook, let's go ahead and send it on back to you.
All right, Elijah, thanks so much. And we have continuing coverage of the busy holiday travel season. We'll have more travel tips from AAA's Robert Sinclair. That's streaming today at 2:10 on CBS News New York. And we have a full list of gridlock, alert days, flight trackers for our local airports, and much more at cbsnewyork.com.